Hello, my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well. So, guys, I have new vocabulary for you today. Here's I have three sentences. First one is it's heavy rain today. Second sentence is keep a tight rein on him. And third sentence is Queen Victoria reigned over Britain. Let us see first sentence. It's heavy rain today. Here used the word rain is RAIN. Rain म्हणजे पाऊस, बारिश. आज खूप पाऊस आहे. Let's see second sentence. Keep a tight rein on him. Here used the word rain again, but the spelling is REIN. Rain means लगाम. घोड्याला जी लगाम घालतात ना ते लगाम. Let's see third sentence is Queen Victoria reigned over Britain. Here used the word reign and the spelling is REIGN. Reign means शासन करणे किंवा शासन. क्वीन विक्टोरियाने ब्रिटनवर शासन केले. रेंज्ड ओव्हर. या रेंजच्या पुढे ओव्हर येतं. रेन ओव्हर असा शब्द आहे. सो वी हॅव सीन थ्री वर्ड्स टुडे with same pronunciation but different meaning and different spellings, right? First one is RAIN, rain म्हणजे पाऊस. REIN, rain म्हणजे लगाम. and REIGN, rain म्हणजे शासन. So guys, use new vocabularies every day, every single day. You have to use new vocabularies and remember those vocabularies. Use those vocabularies every single day in your daily conversation and recall those vocabularies and remember those vocabularies and elevate your level of communication skill by using the new vocabularies in your communication. All the best.